Okay, so this video we're going to go through the new Nike Romaleos 4 lifting shoes that are dope. Now firstly, I did have to wait 9 weeks to get these because of the bloody coronavirus pandemic. However, they were worth the wait. And particularly the reason I had to wait is because, as you will see on the box here on the side, these are the crimson red ones. That's the bad boy. So, there we go. So I have used these once yesterday. As you can see, you've got a little bit of a black sole underneath them there. And initial feedback on looking at the shoe was sick. I like little details. I like a dominate on the back of the heel, which is small little details like that are really, really good. So on first feedback of these, they are heavy. So I have Exhibit B. So these are my old Adidas powerlift shoes. Seen better days, but probably weight-wise, these probably weigh about twice as much. However, these in terms of being planted on the floor, you literally feel like your foot's glued to the floor, like rock solid. So I actually use these doing squats and leg presses and had no issue using any of them. They are very tight fitted in terms of like keeping your foot very set, and you've got plenty of extra support if you want to make them tighter or loosen them off further down towards the front of your foot. Design wise, red crimson is bad boy, so I would definitely get these ones again. One thing I would say that I noticed, so I am very flat footed, so if my hands are on my feet, my arches collapse inwards. And one thing I noticed on these is they've got a very heavy instep. So here, you've got like that. There's a lot of support there, like huge amounts here, which will stop your ankle pronating inwards, which I get a lot, which will stop your knee dropping in, which will be very good for protecting your joints and keeping things nice and secure and safe. I haven't actually done this, I'm not sure if they come out. They do. So you're probably going to see, on the inner sole as well, it's more durable, it's thick, and again it's got quite high instep. That has a lot of weight and strength on it, and even as it says on the bottom, soft to firm. Firm rating is as high as possible. So initial feedback on these, if you're flat-footed, like myself, they are very, very good for improving stability and will improve your squat. In terms of improving strength and power, these are massively going to improve it because you literally feel like your feet are glued to the floor. Would I recommend getting these? If you can afford them, 100%. These are definitely the best lifting shoe I've ever used. Pricey, I think they're about £170 compared to, I think probably when I bought these were probably £70. But if you're into the gym, you're a gym nerd, Nike Romaleos 4 is absolutely legit. I wouldn't run a marathon in them because they weigh an absolute ton. But if you want to lift weights, get jacked and be strong, I highly suggest them. If you've tried these out yet, drop us a comment below. Let us know what your favourite lifting shoes are. And please, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and give this video a like.